Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to start with the basics you can do in minutes. First, plug in the original or a certified charger and a good cable. Damaged cables slow current. Once done, power the phone off and gently clean the charging port with compressed air or a soft brush to remove lint. Restart, then close background apps or enable airplane mode to cut power draw so charging can go faster. These steps already rule out most simple causes and let you proceed more effectively. Next, you diagnose deeper causes by isolating software and hardware. You should check the battery usage screen to find apps hogging power and uninstall or restrict them. Then update the operating system and firmware. Manufacturers often fix charging bugs. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to exclude third-party apps and try a known good charger and cable to see if the rate changes. Doing these steps separates software issues from faulty chargers, cables, or the device's charging circuitry. Finally, act on what you found. If a different charger or cable fixed it, replace the faulty part and keep original accessories. If software remained suspect, back up your data and try a factory reset. If the battery health is degraded below safe thresholds, consider professional replacement. Once done, test charging at normal room temperatures and compare wired versus wireless speeds. If you still see slow charging, one key troubleshooting tip: document symptoms and bring the device to a repair shop. Thermal or PCB faults often require expert diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.